Let's see.
See, you have to put it in the hole.
Oh.
And make it go down and then go open it.
Yeah?
You want to look together?
Yeah, this battery is low. Say hi to the camera. Tell the camera, Kyle, look. What are your doctor's names? What are your doctor's names? What's your doctor's names, honey?
I don't know. No.
You know who they are.
Okay.
Talk to the camera.
Hi.
Did you hear that sneeze? Who just sneezed?
Joey. Okay.
You're being shy? I
Yeah.
still see you. Look. Look. Kyle. Alright, say bye to the camera. I'm going to take your picture. Ready? Smile.